eggplant, tomatoes, onion, green onion, lemon, chicken gizzard. Parsley, ginger and garlic. A little bit of water because eggplant has so much water in it. Sprinkle a bit of salt on eggplant, gizzard, okay, the gizzard is going to the oven. Here's a tomato that I boiled. Here's tomato. And celery. See if it's dry and crunchy enough. I have to put it back in the oven for a couple of minutes more. Here is the eggplant. The green onion and some chopped parsley. It's looking so yummy. It's just tasting. Have all these flavors coming out. It is so yummy. I'm going to cook some plantains. Some plantains to eat with it. Here is the eggplant, ready to eat. Friends, it's time to enjoy the meal. So this is the eggplant, this is rice, and this is plantains. You can actually eat this eggplant with basically anything. It goes with bread as well, it goes with potatoes. So try it, try it. I think you will really like it. Let me dig into it. This is so yummy. Look at this. It just melts in the mouth with the plantain. Here's the gizzard that I baked. It's so crunchy and nice because I enjoy it very much. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye now.